All right, we're at the exterior right now of the house. You do have front access and a front yard. Your trash barrels are on the side. And one great thing is that this entire driveway is yours. So if you park in tandem close together, you'll fit easily 4 cars in here. We're gonna walk up the driveway a second, just so you can have a view of the backyard. So it's a fantastic space. You have a large backyard. We saw the above, so I just want to show something that's below of what it looks like. Bulkheads entering into the basement over there. So here we are over at our big bed house in Allston. So this is the front porch, and you can see it's a really sizable porch. Please remember that the condition does not really reflect the property because tenants are living here now. So how decorated it is and how clean it is really going to be tenant dependent. The one thing we can say is when you move in on September 1, everything is going to look really nice. And what that means is if it needs to be painted, it'll be painted. If it needs to be replaced or fixed, it'll be fixed or replaced. And the last thing we do before tenants come in is we have our professional cleaning crew clean throughout the entire house. Let's go and see it inside the house. This is the front door, and what we're going to see is bedroom number 1 on your right-hand side. It's a really big, great bedroom with lots of bay windows, LED lights, really nice and big. This is your front door itself. When you shut it, so you do have an entrance space for people to hang up their jackets and say hello. We're going to go around a circle on the first level. So through the short hallway, the first thing we're going to see is a living room. So here is your living room. There is a decorative fireplace, a nice mantle that you can put your TV on, and it's obviously big to fit several couches and lots of window space. Come on over here. We're going to check out the first full bath. So also on this first level is the first full bath. And you do have shower and bathtub. Then we're going to see the kitchen. So the kitchen area is right here. Everything is updated with granite marble countertops and all the modern appliances, over-the-range microwave, stove, beautiful fridge, and very nice cabinets, LED lights. Then over here, you're going to see, this is your choice to either have it as a bedroom or as a dining room. It's really nice either way. You can see people laid out supplies right now, but it has kind of like a 2-part from this beam on. That's one part of the room, and this was really the same part of the room, but the accent makes it look like a second part. You have a big walk-in closet, and you have the built-in shelf. Let's go take a look around the corner. Here is your side door. So here's your side door. Door goes out. So this is where you would put your garbage cans, which are obviously going to go out for trash day. This is the basement. Let's go down and take a look. So the basement is a great selling area. The thing about the basement, it's kind of like a very unique space that's all your own. We'll let the video do the talking. It's really big. We have certain things in place to protect meters and furnaces. This basement can be delivered as is with the existing painting on the walls, or we can paint everything white. It's really big. You can come over and take a look. Nice counter space here. And you can see this is the laundry area, so you have a utility sink and you have a washer dryer. No coin op because you're paying the water sewer. Plenty of room to do whatever you need to do. And that is access to a bulkhead that goes to the backyard. Now we're going to go to the second and third floor of the house. You have a really wide staircase, which is great for moving stuff in and out. And it's all been renovated and rebuilt as well. Some of these places are not, unfortunately, going to be accessible during the video, but that's a really great bedroom, which we'll show pictures of separately. So here would be the next bedroom. Really nice. All of the bedrooms are great in this place. As you pan around, you see a lot of window space. Now we're going to see the first of two bathrooms on this floor. This one actually has a double shower stall. Now we go to the next bedroom here on the second floor. It's an amazing bedroom. Another decorative fireplace. Big enough, it's your own suite, so you have a queen size bed, you have a couch, you have your desk space, and there's still a ton of room. You even have an alcove in here with built-ins. With an optional access to the next room over. You can lock it or you can keep it open. Now we're going to go through this passageway on the second floor to, voila, access your private back porch for the entire house. So you can access the porch two ways. One is through the hallway on the second floor that we just did. You can come out here with the camera. It is covered, so when you have days like rain or snow, then you are protected. You can also access this porch from the outside through the stairs here, which are just rebuilt. We're going to use this opportunity to do a pan and scan on the backyard. Now, again, keep in mind that it's still winter when we're filming this, so we don't see any grass or sod that are taking place yet. But it's a massive backyard. It lets you take care of grilling and whatever else you want to do outside. So now we're going to go see the next bathroom on the second floor. This place has 3 full bathrooms. This is the last one that we're seeing. This one also is very big. Like the first floor, it is a bathtub with a shower. So this actually gives you 3 bathrooms, but 4 shower heads. Next bedroom over here on the second floor is actually the last one on the second floor. Really great bedroom. As we pan and scan around, you can see it's a lot of space. For, again, a queen, you have closet. This closet actually accesses to the other bedroom that does have access to the back porch. Now we're going up to the third floor. You can see you have a little alcove that overlooks the street. You have some storage space in here as well. So we are in one of the bedrooms on the third floor. You're going to see the sloped ceiling because we are on the top floor. Really nice, really cozy. Let's let the camera do its magic. You have a view of the backyard. You have a closet. Very big, big enough for a queen, desk, dresser, and still lots of room. Voiceover for first bedroom on second floor. This bedroom is really nice. Windows overlooking the street. Plenty of space. Very unique space, as you can see from the picture. This particular room actually comes with a platform, so whoever stays here only needs to bring a mattress. There's tons of built-ins, exposed brick, lots of closet space, and even though it's a little bit cozy, the uniqueness of the room with the overhead skylights really makes up for it.